get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad,
Alright, so I got some CIVIVI knives that came in the mail. I'm gonna unbox them, see what we got, show them off. They're on sale. So I bought a few of them. I think there's a couple discontinued ones. But yeah, let's oh yeah, it's so I'll see what we got. These are my first CIVIVI knives that I've ever ordered. I don't think I have any. We'll take a pause because I gotta make. Okay, we're back and I got my coffee. So as I was saying, I do not have any CIVIVI knives. These are the first ones that I've ordered. Been meaning to get some, but I wanted to get them off of Amazon, but Amazon is gay and sucks and won't deliver most of them to my humble abode. Because apparently they think that they're illegal or something. But, you know, I can order a tomahawk or a machete. I can't order a, you know, regular old knife. So don't remember which ones we had here. So I got a Lazar, Pintail, Keen, Nader, an X-Arch. Do these ones first. Make sure I'm recording. So CIVIVI. So this is the Pintail. Got this nice little case with it. And what do we got here? A little CIVIVI thing. A little, I think that's a sticker, is it? Could be a sticker. No, it's not a sticker. Information. This is a sticker. Ooh, I like that. That's cool. Right? Is that a fucking sticker? Doesn't peel like a sticker. Like that. Looks like a sticker. I want it to be a sticker. Oh yeah, that's a sticker. I'm gonna put that on my hard hat at work. This little clean fucking thing. And oh yeah. So this is the Pintail Green Micarta. Looks nice. Nice action. Doesn't say what steel it is. Doesn't say anything on it actually. But there it is, pintail, CIVIVI. Yeah, I may have to actually look up the product information. Says it on it. The box. Oh yeah, so this is actually, it says it on the box. Dumb me. So this one's actually S35VN, the pintail, green micarta. Nice and light. This one's actually nice. So this one of the nicer ones that I got. It's on sale. Alright, this one back out. Should I keep them all out? Why not? Why not? So, we got that one. Pintail. I have to remember which one's which when I do this. So we'll go with the Keen Nadar, Nader, whatever the fuck it is. This one might be Damascus. Oh no, this one's, my bad. This one's gonna be bohler and 690. So take a look. Same thing, same little case. Get some sticker action. CIVIVI, same stuff. Some more instructions. Oh, I like this one. This one's a good size. It's a little bigger. Like that. This one is olive micarta. Oh yeah, look at that. I should really like this one. It's bohler N690, black liners, and I know I got all these on sale for under $200 for all these knives. For all four of these. So, move on to the next one. Take a look at that again. This is the X Arch. Same thing. Same little sticker. Same instructions. And a little towelette. So this guy, this one, is copper. We got copper and let's see if I can open this. Whoa, there we go. Copper Damascus. It's actually a really good looking knife. Although the flip action is not, I mean, it's smooth, like that action is like really smooth, but kind of need two hands to hit it. Unless you go, yeah, it's not really it's like on the front, but I love these copper designs though. Yeah, so here we got the last one. This is the Lazar. Here, sticker, white towel, or whatever you want to call it. Same stuff. Oh yeah. Same copper again. Love that look. Damascus. I actually really like this knife. This is a nice fucking knife. There we go. All new, my new knives. CIVIVI. Under $200 for all these.